Hi, here is the Olympus Zoom 105 Deluxe, and here is the battery compartment. You open like this, and you're using one CR1238 battery. Okay, next, by pulling here up to open back cover and put the film in like this direction. So we need to slide into it in order to let the motor fit into the center point of the canister like this. Then push the top and put the film tip until here. Yeah. Then make sure that your film is flat like this, and just close it and it will auto load. How to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly when you open? Here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. Yep. Then here is the zoom and viewfinder. At the center point of the viewfinder, you will find out it will have a dot at the center. So you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if it light up like this, press it. Means that it's okay. If it's blinking, which means that the current situation is, if the green light blinking, which means that it can't focus. If the orange light blinking, which means that the flash is charging, haven't ready yet. Yeah. So every time you want to shoot, yeah, you half press. If it's blinking, wait for a while, half press. Okay, if it doesn't blink, then click it. When your environment is bright enough, it only will light up the green light. Yeah, because now it's indoor, so it will light up the orange light. If let's say you see, if I aim to the light, the bright place, it will only have light up this, which means that it won't trigger the flash. This is the auto flash. But if you want to adjust the flash setting, also can by clicking it. This one is auto S, which it will shoot for few times before you shoot. Let me show you. Like, yeah, then only it will shoot. Well, for me, I've tried before, it doesn't like have any difference, so I recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. Then here is the timer or reboot. If you don't want, you just click off it. Also same, half press it. Here will light up a red light, which means that the timer is start counting. Yeah, and also the lens is clean and clear. Okay, then overall it's like this. If you don't want to use it, push it back. Okay, wait until it fully inside, then only you close it. And here the circle is designed for people who wear specs. If you look like inside is blur, then you adjust here until it becomes clear, will do. And here is the panorama mode. You can switch to it, then it will become narrow inside the viewfinder. If I switch back, it will become bigger. Yeah. Next thing is the cross date function. You can adjust the date by yourself by clicking here, the button at here. So I click mode, is changing the mode. Now it's 95 year, January 1st. Okay. If I want to adjust it, I click the mode for a while. Okay, if it is blinking, just see. Then only I click the set to adjust the year. Okay, yeah, if I over, then you need to like again until like 2039, and just okay. Okay, this one is time. Okay, you can change like different kind of format if you want it, the imprinting inside your outcome. You can change like this, different format. This one is like the date, month, year. Then this one is like month, date, year. And this is date and the time. If you don't want, then you click like this, which means that it won't appear anything. Yeah. So when you shoot finish, it will auto remind. So no worry in using.